Hey, and welcome to Math 135, Finite Math, here at Ivy Tech Community College, Summer 2022. I am Becky Menning, and I will be, well, I guess your instructor, professor, guide, helper, I don't know, call me what you will, for this lovely endeavor. So, I'm teaching two sections. I've got two BP and two AP, so they're going to be run basically the same. On the homepage, I just want to give you kind of a brief overview of what this looks like. I guess I could do it from the student view. That might be helpful. So that you know kind of where to go. Big key, I think the first thing you should do, click everywhere. Check it all out. So we're going to want to read the course syllabus. It's important. Maybe some student success comments, but you can see this course is 8 weeks long, and we have 8 modules. Look how easy that is, right? One module a week. So that's kind of the main page we can get to. Now, as we look down through things, we've got here the syllabus. So this is my information here. I don't have an M at the end of my name. Becky Menning. It ends with a G. Whatever. It's a typo. Okay, so you can get me on the phone. This is a Google Voice number. Big thing, email me. This is the easiest way to contact me, is just send me an email. I check it all the time. I am an adjunct, so I don't have office hours or an office. I actually live in Indianapolis downtown. So basically Zoom is going to be our best friend. If you need help, if you would like to set up an appointment, great. Shoot me an email, give me some days and times that work, and we can make it work. I work from home as my full-time job. So I usually can, if you need to meet during the day, I can fit in chunks of time throughout my workday. You just have to let me know. Okay, so email me. That's the big thing. But anytime we meet, we will meet through Zoom. There on the left side of the page. Okay, if you need help, there's some things. We are using the Barnett text from Pearson. You're going to need a calculator that will help. If you want a loose leaf print, right, you can read all of this. Big thing is, these are the topics we're talking about. Great. Read through those if you'd like. Policies, grades. Basically, you're going to have homework, quizzes, exams, some discussion boards. Due dates, everything is due Sunday at midnight. So the week starts on Monday, it ends on Sunday. You have yourself a week to get things done. Makeup policy, I really don't have one. Things are due on Sunday. You have a week. If you wait until Sunday night at 11 p.m. to start and then your Wi-Fi goes out, well, that's tough for you. That's real tough. I would just recommend you not wait until the last minute, because then when something happens and you have to beg, you have to hope I'm in a good enough mood to listen to your begging. Don't wait until the last minute. Also, if you wait until Sunday, I don't always work on Sundays. So if you have a question, I might not read that email until Monday morning, and now it's too late. So give yourself some time to have questions, to have issues. Start early. Don't get dropped. You got to do something in the first week, or you get dropped. If you want to withdraw, go for it. Your exams, we have a midterm and a final, will be proctored. If you want to go to campus, let me know. I believe in an online class being done online, and therefore I will proctor your exams. You will need to set up a time with me. We will discuss this more when we get closer to the midterm. I will put announcements out. I will put videos out. We will have all of that. But I will take care of proctoring, because if you do proctor you got to pay for it. I'm not a big fan of that. And I like to be able to watch you and learn what you do and how you work, so that it makes it a little bit easier to help with that. Email me. I will email you back. This breakdown tells you what's going on. We have discussion boards. We have homework using my math lab. There are quizzes that go with my math lab, test preparation quizzes, practice tests, and then exams. This is how it all breaks down. Great. If you have questions, there you go. So you can see first things are due Sunday, June 12th, and you can see what those are. So feel free to, okay, so here's the thing. Let's go into the modules. Everything in module 1 is due on June 1st. So you can see Module 1, all of this is due June 1st. Now, the due dates for this 1A learning activities, that's like in my math lab. Those due dates are in my math lab. So I recommend going through this. You're going to want to read the things, watch the videos, go through the learning activities. Let me just click on that for a minute. This is where you can see your note-taking guide, your PowerPoints, video lectures. Y'all, I make videos from it's part of my day job. If some of these videos are confusing or you need help on a particular topic, you shoot me an email with what you need and I can make you a video, okay? But you have to ask. I am not a mind reader. You let me know what you need and I can make that happen. Okay, we will, this is an online course, module at a time. So you can see in Module 1, it says due 6/12. So June 12th, everything in Module 1 is due. Get her done. Okay. We will be setting up a live meeting next week. So class starts on Monday. I'm actually in Minnesota all of next week on a vacation. I can meet if somebody wants to meet next week, but I'd like to meet the following week. So it'd be week 2 of the semester at the beginning of the week. I'll put that out as an email, see what people think. It just might be easier than trying to fit it in when I'm with a bunch of random people. Okay. So there's that. Excel, we're going to maybe use Excel. If you want to use that, open a new tab. Bookshelf, where we're going to get into, if you want to use the text and read, the courseware, right? You can launch that. The assignments, this is where we're going to get to our homework. Here it all is, list it all out. Discussion boards, we have those. As I mentioned, go in, click around. We are missing the announcements. I'm going to go in and add the announcements button because I like to add announcements. I'm going to leave student view right now. Okay, so you see the announcements right now are hidden. We are going to make those visible to students because I'm a big fan of adding announcements. So that will be showing up so that you can see those. Make sure you check the announcements, check your email. I'm going to communicate with you a lot because I think that's the easiest way to do it. So just make sure you read over the syllabus, go through things. When it comes to the resources under modules, this is where you can read your Pearson student guide, understand the bookshelf, understand the communication plan. This is where all of your resources of I have a question. If you can't find your question there, an answer to your question, email me. Right? Just straight up send me an email, and then we can go from there. So I'm always willing to help figure things out for you, whether it's math related, process related, whatever. If you have a question, I will do my best to get you an answer. So hopefully this was a little bit helpful. Otherwise, at least you know who I am, what I look like, and my little bit of crazy. But I'll be here for the next 8 weeks, helping you along your finite math journey. So again, I'm Becky. Nice to meet you. Look forward to talking to you again soon.